On the occasion of the completion of 50 years of Project Tiger, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday reached the Bandipur Tiger Reserve in Karnataka and embarked on a jungle safari. He was seen sporting camouflage clothing and a hat before going on the safari, and he will also interact with field staff of the popular Tiger Reserve. The PMO tweeted the picture of PM Modi and wrote, "Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on the way to the Bandipur and Madhubalai Tiger Reserves. This is Prime Minister's 8th visit to Karnataka this year, and he is expected to visit often till the polling date, which is on May 10th. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to spend 2 hours at the wildlife sanctuary. He will also release a commemorative coin of 50 rupees and put out a document on evaluating effective management of tiger reserves and a vision document for tiger conservation. Later today, he will release the latest tiger census data. He will also release the government's vision for tiger conservation during Amrit Kal and launch the International Big Cats Alliance (IBCA). IBCA will focus on the protection and conservation of 7 significant big cats of the world: tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar and cheetah, with a membership of the range of countries harboring these species. The Chamarajnagar District Administration has barred the public from taking the safari ride at the Bandipur National Park from April 5th to April 9th, ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit. The PM will then go on to Tamil Nadu's Madhumalai Tiger Reserve and interact with the Bowman Belly couple of the Oscar-winning documentary Elephant Whisperers. Located amidst the picturesque surroundings of the towering Western Ghats on the Mysuru-Ooty highway in Karnataka, Bandipur National Park is an important park of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve that constitutes Karnataka's Rajiv Gandhi National Park to its northwest, Tamil Nadu's Madhumalai Wildlife Sanctuary to its south, and Kerala's Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary to its southwest. Once the private hunting grounds of the erstwhile Maharajas and nestled in the foothills of the Nilgiris, Bandipur has had a long tryst with tigers. Tigers have disappeared in Bali and Java, and China's tigers are likely extinct in the wild. The Sunda Island tiger, the other subspecies, is only found in Sumatra. India's project to safeguard them has been praised as a success by many. India's tiger numbers, meanwhile, are ticking upwards. The country's 2,967 tigers account for more than 75% of the world's wild tiger population. India has more tigers than its protected spaces can hold, with the cats also now living at the edge of cities and in sugarcane fields.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.